We're at Concord Pacific Place. It is 2011, mid-June, and we're here for the start of an electric vehicle show. And one of the most interesting is a Volkswagen entry from UBC. This is the first vehicle, Canadian vehicle, to go from Vancouver on the west coast all the way to the east coast. And they beat out Mitsubishi Corporation by about 12 days. The Volkswagen itself has a 52 horsepower electric motor on. It's running approximately 150 volt system, so you can imagine it's pulling a tremendous amount of amps. They've got a fan that is water cooling the motor controller, the speed controller onto that. The bell frame runs directly into the Volkswagen transmission. The car has had a lot of donations, which is the only way something like this is possible. And the biggest donation is from a company called Winston Battery in Canada. And that donation, you'll see right here, is $20,000. Yeah, that's $20,000 worth of lithium ferrous oxide batteries. Safe battery chemistry located into the back. Very simple gauges, battery monitoring system on the inside. Now, since they wanted to go across Canada in record time, the hood is filled with chargers. These are rapid chargers where they can plug in a relatively short period of time, charge the battery bank. They have a battery monitoring system then that allows them to actually monitor each of the cells. And they're putting out, what, 11 kilowatts on this?
Kilowatts, yeah.
Okay, one of the interesting things is, in addition to this, I hear you're building a dragster.
Yeah, our goal is to break the world record for the fastest street legal electric dragster. So we're running at about 300 volts at 3 kiloamps. It's a pretty interesting project.
This is a two-motor vehicle, correct?
Yep. Yeah, we have two motors in parallel. Right now for phase one, which is just getting it rolling, we're going to drive it into a Volkswagen transmission, but we will be putting it into a differential from a truck at some point.
It's going to be an incredible project, and it's due to be finished pretty soon.
Yeah, it's been due to finish for a little bit, but...
Well, my congratulations to you, because you actually designed the motor controller for this beast.
Yeah, and it's
this
been
is
a learning experience.
Well, this is really quite an interesting vehicle. I think everybody in Southern California can take a good lesson of what USB is doing with a few donations and some relatively ingenious electronic design on the back of this Volkswagen Bug. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, we have a second interesting entry. This is a two-person homemade vehicle. It was made in the basement of a house in Vancouver. The restriction on the vehicle was that it had to be moved through doorways with the wheels taken off. It's got a 1500 watt motor onto the back, electric motor. It will also have some pedals on the inside. It's made out of thin veneer, 1/8 of an inch veneer. It has mountain bike shocks on the front. It's a brand new completed project, so we haven't seen it running yet. It has no batteries, but supposedly it will have a lithium polymer packs connected with it. Very unique, featherweight, sealed unit. Could almost be an amphibious vehicle. Very interesting.